In this video, I will be showing you how to use lensgo AI, specifically how to create stunning images and videos using AI. So first up, let's start with creating an image. So let's head on over to create image tab right here. And then what we're going to do next is just type in whatever image you want to be created. So you can also choose the number of images that it will generate and text guidance scale. And negative prompt is what you want to be excluded from your creation. So let's just put it on. And then, so for example, I will be creating an image. So for example, let's use this example right here. In the 1980s style, a woman and a man are in a coffee shop. So just click on start and it will cost you 4 coins, and you will have free coins when you create an account. And after that, it will automatically create the image for you. Just wait for it to create the image. Okay, so here is the image that we created. So you can choose if you want it to be in anime or in a realistic model, or you can choose from whatever you want right here in the bottom. So this is our 1980s style. So now let's head on over to creating videos. So just head on back and click on animate videos. Also, you can choose if you want anime or real. So let's choose anime. Then you can also choose whether the duration is normal or longer, and if you want camera movement. So we'll just click on none for this example, and then we'll just choose from the featured prompt right here. So for example, a girl surrounded by flames walking out the forest. Let's just click on it and click on start, and it will cost you more coins than creating an image. So just click on start and wait for the image to generate, or the video. Okay, so once the video is ready, just click on it to play, and then you will see that the video they generated is close to what we asked for. So for example, a girl surrounded by flames walking out the forest. So that's exactly what they provided. So that's how simple it is to create stunning images and videos using lensgo AI. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.